The Connecticut Sunlight Project is an electronic database constructed by the Yankee Institute for Public Policy. This database contains every expenditure of the Connecticut State Government. Using this tool allows the citizens of Connecticut to look at every line item of the state government spending and discover how our tax dollars are being spent. Selecting the Payroll page brings you to the search browser, where you can filter expenditures along multiple criteria. You can analyze expenditures in a particular year. You can also isolate the expenses of a particular branch of government, or even by a department within that branch. Let's do an example. Suppose we wanted to find out what the wages in the Department of Banking were in the year of 2008. We scroll over to Pay Year of 2008, choose the Executive branch in the major category, and scroll down to the Department of Banking. And select Go. At the bottom, you will find the total of all pages. Apart from being able to analyze totals, the data generated allows you to observe the salaries of positions within a department and also enables you to compare raises from year to year. The Pensions section provides information of retirees and can be filtered in the same way as the Payroll section. You can select a pay year, choose a department, or even filter by name or pension amount. Just like in the Payroll section, at the bottom you can find the total that was spent in that period. When doing a search in pensions, be sure to leave retiree selected in the branch drop-down, as this is required to do an effective search. The Checks to Businesses and People section allows you to get a detailed look at the entities that received Connecticut taxpayer dollars. Like other sections, you may do a search based on the year, the branch of government, or the size of the expense. Unlike the other sections, you can also filter by a particular category of spending or by what state the business was located in. Out-of-state expenditures can be as basic as hotel rooms or as complicated as services or purchase orders to non-Connecticut businesses. If you are looking for transactions to a specific business, the Vendor tab allows you to type in part of the name, scroll down the list, and select the exact vendor. This allows you to have even more control over searching and isolating data in your research. The goal of the Connecticut Sunlight Project is to empower people to hold state government accountable for their spending. This tool can be instrumental in finding sources of inefficiency and corruption. As you do your own research into the state spending, you can contribute to our project as well. Next to every expense is a comment box where you can post details, criticisms, or even alternatives to improve efficiency in our government spending. This input can guide our leadership in their future decisions and help everyone develop a better understanding of how their tax dollars are being spent. The Yankee Institute for Public Policy is Connecticut's independent free market think tank dedicated to free markets, free enterprise, and private sector solutions to public policy questions. You can find out more of our research at www.yankeeinstitute.org.